Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Auth0 Dashboard, manage authentication flows step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Auth0 website URL. Press enter to navigate to the Auth0 homepage. Once the page loads, locate the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your email address associated with your Auth0 account in the email field. Next, type your password in the password field. If you prefer to stay logged in, check the Remember Me option before proceeding. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button. If you've entered the correct information, you will be taken to the Auth0 dashboard. Here, you can manage various authentication flows for your applications. Explore the dashboard's left-hand menu to access different sections. Select Applications to view and manage your registered applications. To adjust authentication settings, click on Authentication under the dashboard menu. This will let you modify various settings related to user logins and signups. If you wish to monitor user activities, navigate to the Logs section. In this section, you can review activities and troubleshoot issues. Additionally, feel free to explore other features available in the dashboard. That concludes the process of logging into the Auth0 dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.